Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can organize research on Evernote. Now in this video, just give you guys a starting point so you can go ahead and use all these tools in order to research and make sure that you have something structured. So to do this, quickly come over here to notebooks and you'll see that I have created these two notebooks to give you guys a good reference. Now the main things that I would use in order to organize research in Evernote is to create a stack, which means a notebook within a notebook. To do this, you will see that these notebooks are currently separate. They don't belong to any category as such. But if you want to do that, you can create a stack by clicking on the three dots here, clicking on this button where it says add to stack, and click on new stack. After this, give this stack a name and click on create. After this, you will see that I currently have this note over here under a category. So you can do that for multiple topics or categories of your research. Once you have created stacks, you can go ahead and use other tools like inserting a note within another note. Now how to do this? Quickly come over here, click on insert, and then you can go ahead and click on link. After this, it will ask you to link or select a note. Just quickly select any note that you have. Let's say I want to link up elephants. It's a note that I created. After that, click on apply, and once I click on this, it will redirect me to the elephants note, and you will see that it is quite easy and simple to use. Other tools may include using tags, highlight buttons, and also making sure that you have organized everything in a structured manner. You can either take notes on the go or create one as a category so that you can structure and organize all of your research at once using the different tools available at Evernote. Hope this video helps. If it does, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.